Hello and welcome. How to start an online business, work from home. This is something obviously you have been looking for because you landed on this video. Working from home, internet marketing, how to succeed in your business, whatever it might be. You have come to the right place. Hello and welcome. My name is Bill Morrow, and I've been marketing online for about 9 years. And in that time, I have wasted a lot of time, effort, and money with rubbish, things that did not work. But now I have found exactly the one that does work. I have completed a course, and this course, the Invincible Marketer, has found me exactly what I was looking for. I was able to set up a complete business from start to finish. The whole thing is set up in video form. So you go through a series of videos, therefore you can run it at whatever speed you want. You can do a couple of videos and then have a rest. You can do one a day, one a week, one an hour, whatever. The total performance is exactly up to you. You're the one in control. You start a video, you look at the video, you listen, you watch, and it tells you to do a certain thing. It's teaching you something, then it gets you to do that one thing. You complete it, move on to the next one. And as I've done on occasions, got it wrong and oops, had to go back, check it out again. That's the way it's done. And I kept forgetting to save the detail. Simple little thing, but then I go back and say, it's gone. I forgot to save the detail. And after a while, you make a couple of mistakes, and you learn and you learn from those mistakes. And then click, the first thing I used to do is save. Oh, better save it again. No problem. You get it right. The whole thing from start to finish was excellent. You go along at the speed, as I say, that you want, and as you complete every section, you then realize you got to the end and suddenly you've got a business. You have set up your business online, and you can set it up as you're told in the course. You can set it up in whatever niche and whatever section you want, whatever the system you want, whether it's dieting, keeping fit, anything of that nature, help the aged, old, all these sorts of things. You decide where you're going to set up, and the course will guide you completely to the full satisfaction of it. It's that straightforward. Not simple, straightforward. Because you have to concentrate on things. You have to get the information. Everything is guided to you. You'll be shown exactly how to do it. But you have to want to run a business. You can't just open the box and say, whoop, there's a business. Oh yeah, it'll last for about a week and then it's gone. I've had some of those. Now I've got one and I know how to fix, I know how to sort out, I know how to recover, I know how to change any detail I want in it because I've learned it the correct way. I've learned all the roots, I've learned all the details about it. So this is all you got to do now. Get onto my link below in the description box, click on that, get onto my email list, and then I will send you more information about the course itself. All the details about the course and the benefits of the course. You will not be disappointed. It's first class. And I will stay with you as long as you want. I will help you to get through the course. The benefits and everything are yours. So that's all it is, my friend. Just click on the link below and I will contact you later on. All the best.